Hey, it's Alex again, and today I want to show you this hanging wasp trap. So this is the second set of traps that I'm buying because we had two already on this corner since we had a lot of wasps just like collecting water from our pool and then creating nests all over the pergola. And since we put two of these, one in this corner and another one in this corner, we didn't have any other incidents. And actually we put this like a week or 2 weeks ago, and I've been cleaning them because they're getting trapped and they're dying, of course. So let me show you how this works. I'm Princess Leia, and I'll give you my opinion about these wasp traps. So how it works, you just add some water, some orange juice or apple juice as well, some sugar, and a tiny bit of vinegar. Any type of jelly or jam is optional. And once you're done, you just close the lid and use this type of cord to hang it from corners of pergolas, like in my case, poles, fences, many other places. And once you have them set up, I don't know if you can see, but there are some wasp there as well, resting, let's say, and then this one as well. So the way this works, the wasps get in here because of the smell and the juices and everything you put before, and then they can't get out. So because of the vinegar and the fact that they can't get out, they're gonna be going to wasp heaven, I think so. So there's not too much else to say about these traps. Actually, they work pretty well. We had them set up for, I think it was 2 weeks already, or a week and a half, and we didn't have any other incidents. We didn't have any other nests. We didn't have any other wasp flying, collecting water from our pool and anything. And I mean, I'm pretty grateful of that, but my wife, most of all, she loves it. You just need to remember them from time to time, probably like twice a month, I think so, or once a month, you need to clean them because the sugar is gonna get like crystallized, so you need to fill them up again. But that's it. So I don't have anything bad to say about this product. I like it, I recommend it, it works. So thumbs up. I hope you like this review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.